to the left. Up and to the left.
At this Harlem street fair today, the federal government asked people to share their DNA and health information.
We're inviting you to be part of this national adventure.
The goal? Enroll 1 million Americans from all walks of life to bring diversity to medical studies that typically focus on white men. The program was launched today in 7 cities across the U.S. Miriam Guzman signed up in Chicago.
I have a long family history of diabetes, and I thought that maybe there's information in my genes that could be relevant.
For 10 years, participants will give researchers access to their health records, provide blood and urine samples, and answer questions about their lifestyles. The data will be used by thousands of researchers to help create more personalized treatments, a new approach to health known as precision medicine. Is precision medicine better than the care patients are getting right now?
Precision medicine's already possible in some cases. You go to get a pair of eyeglasses, they're going to be for you. But if you are showing up with a new diagnosis of high blood pressure, you're probably going to get an intervention that's pretty much like everybody else. And that's not ideal.
For Miriam, the chance to give back overshadows any privacy concerns.
I'm more worried about the cell phone that I carry in my pocket. That's more scary to me than me willingly providing my genetic information to this research study.
But John, this is important and very personal information. How do they protect people's privacy?
Well, the NIH gives each participant a unique identifying number to use instead of their name. On top of that, the program is protected by a law that keeps all the information protected from anything other than research, even from law enforcement.
Why do they need so many people? Why 1 million people?
Well, the more people you have, the more specific information you can get about the health conditions. With precision medicine research, it's a numbers game.
All right, Dr. John Torres, thanks so much. Very interesting.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.